This man explains the difference of Facebook ads, old and Andromeda strategy for free.
Usually, naglalaro to doon sa 1-3, meaning 1 campaign, 3 ad set. Dito, creatives is your new targeting. Discuss naman natin yung new method. New method is the Andromeda method. Nangyayari dito is 1-5 to 10 ad set. 1-1-5 to 10. Yan siya. Meaning, 1 campaign, 1 ad set, 5 creatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paano yung setup dito? Dito, broad lang. Wala siyang interest. So, kung gusto mo itap si military or si mga retiring customers, gagawa ka ng content na sasabihin mo sa content, oh, isa ka bang military or retired ka ba na gusto mong kumuha ng ganito or may pass approval. So, based on
Mm.
creatives na siya. So,
Okay, sir.
Advantage Plus, new method, Advantage Plus, and Andromeda. 1-1.
115.
115.